Okay, today we're working on Josiah's 1999 F250 light duty truck. Gonna change the tire and do some wheel bearing adjustments. Here we go.
Few moments later.
Alright, Josiah, you're right, man. That tire is dirty, the wheel's dirty and rusty, and that might be the reason it's not holding air. And not only that, it won't come off the truck. So I've got some stuff soaking on it. Hopefully it'll help get it off the truck. But in the meantime, we're gonna go over here and look at these front bearings. So first we got to get in there, take the cap off, and put it over here somewhere safe for a minute. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Oops. So there's some grease in here. So what you got is a little cotter pin that needs to come out. So we need to take that. Boom. Yep. Trying to do this one-handed, so it's a little bit of a challenge. All right, now I guess first, before we go too far, we should look at why we are even doing this. Because I noticed there's a little bit of play here. And it's gonna be hard because the camera's wiggling. You can kind of hear it clunking. I don't see too much movement. Well, we're gonna pull this off. That's the crown key. We're gonna see how this nut feels. See if it's loose. Should be just snug. Yeah, see, it's like got a lot of play in it. I'm going this way. I'm just now starting to feel a little resistance. Feeling a little bit more, a little more. Let's see if I took the, hear that? The clunking went away. So we don't want to go too tight. What I'm going to do is go up to a point, back off a couple times. So we get it to its point. I'm going to go just up till it snaps. Just go a little bit. You don't want to give it too much because it will overheat the bearings and they'll wear out the little bearing wheels. Basically bearings will not be happy. So I think I might have the right spot on the first try, but I like to have it just over a little bit so that it's nice and tight when I go to put this cotter key back in. And again, hopefully I was having the camera pointed at it the whole time. It's tricky. It's way easier with a brand new cotter key. A lot of people will probably recommend that. There you go. Put it through, you bend your tabs around. And now the little crown key is gonna hold that nut right where I put it. And this thing is gonna be happy. There could be an issue with the shock absorber. That'll be another video. Oh yeah. Don't forget to put the cap back on. One need to tap on there.
2 days later. Day 3.